Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: NTPC invites tenders for hydrogen pilot projects. APSRTC's bus stations, depots, and garages to install solar plants. Green Jols to set up waste to energy plants. Coming to the details. In a push for India's green hydrogen efforts, state-run NTPC Limited has floated a global expression of interest for setting up two pilot projects: standalone fuel-based backup power system and a microgrid system with hydrogen production using electrolyzer. Though the projects, NTPC is looking to further strengthen its footprint in green and clean fuel. Taking the initiative forward, NTPC is exploring the use of hydrogen-based fuel cells electrolyzer systems for backup power requirement. Currently, the backup requirement and microgrid applications are being met from diesel-based power generators. NTPC will collaborate for implementation and further commercialization of the projects. Andhra Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation has decided to set up solar plants under RESCO system. In the first phase, 400 plants will be set up this financial year. The remaining 438 plants will be built over the next 2 years. The corporation had set up 4 solar plants 2 years ago as a part of pilot project, each with a capacity of 100 kilowatt. Each plant costs around 37 lakh rupees and generates 10,000 units per month. The solar panels will make a profit of 12 lakh rupees per year from the 5th year onwards. The official said that the corporation is paying 10 rupees 15 paisa per unit for a bus station and a commercial establishments, while 6 rupees 76 paisa per unit for garages and workshops under industrial units. The tender entrusted company will supply power to APSRTC for a 25 years for a lower price. Solar power will save rupees 5 per unit for bus stations and commercial complexes and 3 rupees per unit for garages and workshops. Green Jols, a Pune-based green energy technology company, has raised 33 crore rupees from Blue Ashwa Capital, a Mumbai-based investment firm. The funds raised will be used to set up commercial-scale waste-to-energy plants and in new research initiatives. The funding will be used to grow its current product and portfolio range of high energy density liquid and gaseous biofuels. It also plans to set up a facility near Pune to cater to the increasing demand of green diesel. The firm specializes in making renewable biofuels which are curated from agricultural residue and renewable waste from agro-processing industries. It uses non-food and non-feed waste as feedback to manufacture biofuels. Additional headlines today. Discounts outstanding dues to Gencos fall 11.2% to 81,628 crore rupees in April. India to require 4 lakh charging stations for 2 million electric vehicles by 2026. Odisha approves 1637 crore rupees investment projects with power sector in focus. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 116.34 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night, 2 rupees 16 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day, 1 rupee 91 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening, 2 rupees 67 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock, 2 rupees 17 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 2 rupees 22 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.